Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. So today class is new chapter. The chapter name is Differential Equations. Is very most important chapter in view of marks and competitive examinations and higher studies. ఓకే ఇప్పుడు మనం చెప్పుకోయే చాప్టర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఇది రాబోయే హైయర్ స్టడీస్కి కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి ఈసెట్కి ఎంసెట్కి కూడా చాలా ఉపయోగపడే చాప్టర్. హైయర్ స్టడీస్లో వచ్చే పాయింట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇవి కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ తోటి. సో దిస్ చాప్టర్ ఈజ్ వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే ఓకే వాట్ ఆర్ ది టాపిక్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ చాప్టర్? దట్ మీన్స్ సిలబస్, contents, what are the contents, sub contents in this chapter. Okay, so we discuss about, first I am going to explaining what are the syllabus in this chapter. That means topics, what are the topics in this chapter. Okay, listen carefully.
Okay, this is the flow chart of differential equation chapter. Okay, this is plan of differential equations chapter. In this video and upcoming videos I will discuss these topics. The main and subtopics are basics, differential equations, types of differential equations, order and degree, formulation of differential equations, definition of solution, and solve the differential equations. That means solution of differential equations, and also finally applications of differential equations. Now let us start the lesson differential equations. Okay, what are the contents in this lesson? There are three main contents, that is definition, what is order and degree, formation of differential equations, and solution of differential equations. In solution of differential equations there are 6 methods to solve the differential equations by using these 6 methods. First one, variable separable method, homogeneous differential equations, non-homogeneous differential equations, linear differential equations, Bernoulli's differential equations, and exact differential equations. These are the main topics in this lesson, differential equations. Okay, first we discuss about some important basics in this chapter, differential equations. What are the basics? What is meant by equation, independent variable, dependent variable, arbitrary constant, and differential equation. Differential equation is a main definition of this chapter. Okay, first, what is meant by equation? Equation means a statement that the values of two mathematical expressions are equal, assigned with the equal symbol. That is called equation. అంటే టూ మ్యాథమెటికల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ని ఈక్వల్ చేయటాన్ని మనం ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ కింద రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే ఓకే నెక్స్ట్, what is meant by independent variable? Independent variable means a variable whose variation does not depend on that of another. అంటే ఒక వాల్యూ దేని మీద కూడా ఆధారపడకుండా ఉంటే దాన్ని మనం ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 5. సో x ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ independent variable. Here x does not depend on any value. So this value is called independent variable. Next, what is meant by dependent variable? A variable depends on another value. For example, y is equal to x plus 5. Here y is called dependent variable. So put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. అంటే ఎక్స్కి ఒక వాల్యూ ఇవ్వటం వల్ల వైకి వేరే ఒక వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. అంటే వై ఈజ్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ఎక్స్. సో వై ఎక్స్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయింది కాబట్టి దట్ వై ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ dependent variable. That means, what is the definition? A variable whose value depends on that of another value. So this variable is called dependent variable. Okay, next, arbitrary constant. First we know that what is constant. Constant is a fixed value. What is the meaning of the arbitrary constant? An arbitrary constant is a constant whose value could be assumed to be anything, just so long as it does not depend on the other variables in an equation or expression. అంటే కాన్స్టెంట్ అంటే ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూ, అది ఎప్పటికీ మారదు. కానీ మారే కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూని మనం ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, y is equal to mx. Suppose m is equal to 1. Here m is a arbitrary constant. m కి ఒక వాల్యూ ఇవ్వటం వల్ల కాన్స్టెంట్ కి ఒక వాల్యూ ఇవ్వటం వల్ల టు ఫార్మ్ ది వన్ లైన్, a line passing through the origin and having inclination 45 degrees. Suppose m is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is a constant, but 1 is a constant. These are arbitrary constants. So y is equal to minus x is a line passing through the origin and having inclination minus 45 degrees or 135 degrees. So this is the concept of arbitrary constant. Okay, the main definition. Chapter name is differential equation. What is equation? Already I told that. What is differential equation? An equation involving one dependent variable, one or more independent variables, and the involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called differential equation. The simple definition is an equation involving derivatives is called differential equation. For example, dy by dx is equal to 6. Here x is independent variable, y is dependent variable. The derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. That value is equal to 6. This equation is called differential equation. That is an equation involving one dependent variable, that means y, one or more independent variables, that means x, and the derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called differential equation. Okay, an equation involving variables is called algebraic equation. An equation involving trigonometric functions, that is called trigonometric equations. An equation involving derivatives is called differential equation. These three are the examples of differential equations. Okay, how many types of differential equations? Mainly two types of differential equations, that is ordinary differential equations. It is denoted by ODE. Second one is partial differential equations. It is denoted by PDE. Okay, there are two types of differential equations, ODE and PDE. Next we discuss about ordinary differential equations. Ordinary differential equations means y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. Differentiation with respect to only one independent variable. That means differential equation is said to be an ordinary differential equation if the derivatives of the dependent variable are with respect to only one independent variable. In the ordinary differential equations, only one independent variable and more than dependent variables. Suppose y is a dependent variable. This dependent variable differentiation with respect to independent variables. That means in the ordinary differential equations, only one independent variable and two or more dependent variables. Okay, that is called ordinary differential equations. For examples, dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. Here y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. Next type of differential equation is partial differential equation. This is quite opposite to the ordinary differential equations. In these differential equations, derivatives of the dependent variable in the equation are with respect to two or more independent variables. Then it is said to be an partial differential equation. In this partial differential equation, there is only one dependent variable and two or more independent variables. That means here, for example, x is x, y, z are independent variables. Here u is a dependent variables. So differentiation u with respect to x, differentiation u with respect to y, differentiation u with respect to z. That means dependent variable u differentiation with respect to two or more independent variables. This type of differential equations is called partial differential equations. The very most important definition is order. What is the order of the differential equation? Every differential equation having order and degree. What is order? Order means how many times differentiated. Suppose y is a dependent variable. Differentiation with respect to x, we get dy by dx. This dy by dx is differentiation one time. That means order is 1. Again differentiation dy by dx, we get d square y by dx square. So the order of the d square y by dx square is 2 because y is differentiation 2 times, hence order is 2. Okay, what is the definition of the order? Order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative, also known as differential coefficient, present in the equation. So this is called order. In this equation the order of the highest derivative is 3, hence this is a third order differential equation. This equation represents second order equation. Next, degree of differential equation. What is meant by degree of differential equation? The degree of a differential equation is the power of its highest derivative after the equation has been made rational and irrational. That means in all of its derivatives. And that means మనకి డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్లో హైయెస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్, అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ హైయెస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ మీన్స్ హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్. The highest order power is degree. Example, d square y by dx square whole square plus 2 into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx whole power 5 is equal to 0. Here what is degree? But here dy by dx power is 5. 5 is more value compared to 2. But here d square y by dx square power is 2. By the according to the definition, the power of highest order in this equation, the highest order is 2. That means d square y by dx square is the highest order. The order is 2. But here dy by dx order is 1. Okay, the highest order power is called degree.
Okay, this is the syllabus in this chapter. Okay, in this chapter, differential equations, introduction, definition of differential equation, types of differential equations, and the definition of order and degree. Okay, now I am going to explaining a few examples on order and degree. If the differential equation is given, how to find the order and degree? Order means highest derivative differential coefficient. Highest derivative is called order. Degree means the highest derivative power is called degree. So to calculate the order and degree of the differential equations. So differential equation is given to find order and degree. Okay, see the two examples. Example 1. The differential equation is dy by dx is equal to 6. What is order? What is degree? Order means highest derivative. So y is a dependent variable. The dependent variable differentiation only one time, that is dy by dx. So order is equal to 1. What is degree? The differential coefficient is dy by dx. What is the power of this one? This power is 1. So degree is equal to 1. So the given differential equation dy by dx is equal to 6. Order is equal to 1. Degree is equal to 1. Next goes to example number 2. What is example number 2? dy by dx whole square plus 3 into dy by dx plus y power 4 is equal to e power x is a differential equation. Here x is dependent variable, y is independent variable. So this is an equation involving independent variables, dependent variables and its derivatives is called differential equation. So here y is a dependent variable. The derivative of y is dy by dx. So what is order? Order is equal to 1. The dependent variable differentiation only one time. So the order is 1. Next, what is degree? What is the meaning of the degree? Highest derivative power. So here dy by dx one time derivative, dy by dx one time derivative. But here dy by dx whole square. Here dy by dx whole power 1. So the degree of the differential equation is 2. Order is 1 and the degree is 2. So to calculate the order and degree, మనం ఆర్డర్ డిగ్రీ ఏ విధంగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే కనుక మీకు డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో y డిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్, x ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్. y n టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేసాం మనం. y ని ఒకసారి డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేసాం dy by dx ఆర్డర్ ఇస్ 1. y ని రెండు సార్లు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేసాం dy by dx d square y by dx square ఆర్డర్ ఇస్ 2. d cube y by dx cube ఆర్డర్ ఇస్ 3. That means dy by dx is equal to order 1. Order is equal to 1. d square y by dx square order is equal to 2. d cube y by dx cube order is 3. d power n y by dx power n order is n. Okay, that is order. Clear? So in this example 1 order is 1, degree is 1. In this example 2 order is 1, degree is 2. Okay, next I am going to example number 3, explaining example number 3. In this example number 3, differential equation is given to find the order and degree. Okay, so what is order? Here y is a independent variable, dependent variable. Y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. So y differentiation how many times? 2 times. Y dependent variable dy by dx d square y by dx square. Therefore order is equal to 2. So the dependent variable differentiation 2 times. Hence order is 2. What is degree? Degree means the highest derivative power. That means highest derivative means this is first order derivative, this is second order derivative. The highest derivative order power is called degree. That means dy by dx whole cube. But dy by dx is first order. d square y by dx square, this power is 1. d square y by dx square, this is second order. So y is a dependent variable. The derivative of y is dy by dx. Power is 3. But y is a dependent variable. 2 times differentiation of y with respect to x. That means d square y by dx square. So highest derivative order, that means highest order power. అంటే హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఉన్నటువంటి దాని యొక్క పవర్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. అయితే dy by dx యొక్క పవర్ 3 ఉంది. బట్ హియర్ d square y by dx square ఉంది. అంటే హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? d square y by dx square. What is the exponent? 1. So degree is equal to 1. Clear? ఆర్డర్ అంటే ఎన్ని సార్లు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేసాం అనేది, ఒకసారి చేస్తే ఆర్డర్ 1, 1 టైం చేస్తే ఆర్డర్ 1, 2 టైం చేస్తే ఆర్డర్ 2, 3 టైం చేస్తే ఆర్డర్ 3. అలా n టైమ్స్ ని y ని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేశారనుకోండి d పవర్ n బై dx పవర్ n వస్తున్న ఆర్డర్ n. డిగ్రీ హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ పవర్, హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఉన్నటువంటి యొక్క దాని యొక్క పవర్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. సో ఆర్డర్ 1, ఆర్డర్ 2, దీని ఆర్డర్ 1 యొక్క పవర్ 3 ఇది తీసుకోకూడదు. ఆర్డర్ 2 ఉన్నటువంటి పవర్ తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట, అంటే 1. సో డిగ్రీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1, ఆర్డర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. క్లియర్? ఓకే, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4. In this 4, the differential equation is d square y by dx square is equal to 2 into 1 plus dy by dx whole power 3 by 2. But in the definition of differential equation, a differential equation having the powers natural numbers only, not radicals. And a differential equation యొక్క పవర్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా radicals ఉండకూడదు. Radicals means fractions, roots. ఇవి ఉండకూడదు. By eliminating the radicals, we get the correct differential equation. అప్పుడు మనకి మనం డిగ్రీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలం, డిగ్రీ గాని ఆర్డర్ గాని. ఆర్డర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం ఈజీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆర్డర్? d square by dx square. 2 టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ జరిగింది, ఆర్డర్ ఈస్ 2. సో ఆర్డర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం ఈజీ, ఎందుకంటే హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఈస్ డన్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. అక్కడ 2 టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ జరిగింది కాబట్టి డిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్ కి 2 టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ జరిగింది కాబట్టి ఆర్డర్ ఈస్ 2. బట్ టు ఫైండ్ ది డిగ్రీ, ఫస్ట్ టు ఎలిమినేట్ ది రాడికల్స్. Eliminate the radicals. Here 3 by d is a radical. By eliminating that value, so d square by dx square is equal to 2 into 1 plus dy by dx power 3 by 2. Squaring on both sides, that means d square y by dx square whole square is equal to 2 square 1 plus dy by dx whole power 3 by 2 whole square. So squaring on both sides. That means to eliminate the radical 1 by 2. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి 1 by 2 ని 1 by 2 means root. ఆ రూట్ కాంటినెంట్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేయడానికి స్క్వేరింగ్ చేశాను అన్నమాట. అంటే d square y by dx square is equal to d square y by dx square whole square is equal to 2 into 1 plus dy by dx whole power 3 by 2 square, that equal to 2 cancel. We get d square y by dx square is equal to 2 square into 1 plus dy by dx whole power 3. Okay, 2 square. This 2 cancel. 1 plus dy by dx whole cube. But here second order derivative. The second order derivative power is 2. So order is 2. Degree is 2. So order is 2. Degree is 2. So the given differential equation order is 2 because highest derivative. That means the dependent variable y differentiation 2 times. So order is 2. Next, degree. By eliminating this radical 1 by 2, that means squaring on both sides, we get d square by dx square whole square is equal to 2 square into 1 plus dy by dx whole cube. So, by the definition of differential equation, the radicals do not exist in the powers. అంటే డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో మనకి రాడికల్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవ్వకూడదు. ఒకవేళ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే కనుక వాటిని ఎలిమినేట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత పాలినామియల్ కింద ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసుకోగలగాలి. అంటే పాలినామియల్స్ కి డిగ్రీస్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఎలా ఉంటాయి? నేచురల్ నెంబర్స్. ఓకే, ఇంటిజర్స్ కింద ఉండాలి. సో d square by dx square whole square is equal to second order derivative power is 2, so degree is 2. Okay, next example number 5. Find the order and degree of the differential equation d cube y by dx cube whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into d square y by dx square. What is order? Order is very simple. The dependent variable y differentiation 3 times, that means d cube y by dx cube, order is equal to 3. Okay, clear? Well, next, what is the degree of this differential equation? To find the degree, first to eliminate the radicals. Here 1 by 3 is a radical. That means 1 by 3 by eliminating that radical value. That means cubing on both sides. We get d cube y by dx cube whole power 2 by 3 power cube is equal to 2 cube d square y by dx square whole cube. By eliminating 1 by 3, radicals అనేవి డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవ్వకూడదు. మీకు డెఫినిషన్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు చెప్పాను. The differential equation form a polynomial as the derivatives. అంటే పాలినామియల్ ఫామ్ లోనే ఉండాలి డెరివేటివ్స్ అన్ని కూడా. వాటి యొక్క పవర్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఎలా ఉండాలంటే స్క్వేర్ రూట్ 2 -2 ఇలాగా ఇంటిజర్స్ కింద ఉండాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఆ విధంగా ఉంటేనే పాసిబిలిటీ అవుతుంది మనకి డిగ్రీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం. చూడండి, దిస్ రాడికల్ ఈజ్ 2 by 3, 2 into 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a radical. By eliminating that value, that means cubing on both sides, we get 3 cancel. That means d cube y by dx cube whole power square is equal to 8 into d square y by dx square whole cube. So this is a differential equation not having radicals. దీంట్లో ఎటువంటి radicals ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. సో డిగ్రీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం ఈజీ. డిగ్రీ మీన్స్ ద హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డెరివేటివ్ పవర్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్. ఓకే, సో హైయెస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆర్డర్ ఇస్ d cube y by dx cube. Highest derivative or higher order. Higher order is d cube y by dx cube. The exponent, that means power, is 2. So degree is 2. Here second order power 3. ఈ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ పవర్ 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం తీసుకోవాలి. అకార్డింగ్ టు ది డెఫినిషన్ ఆఫ్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్, హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ పవర్, హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఏంటి? ఇది. దీని పవర్ ఏంటి? 2. ఇది సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ పవర్ 3. ఇక్కడ పవర్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంది బట్ ఆర్డర్ తక్కువగా ఉంది. మనం ఏం చేయాలి? హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఉన్న దాన్ని మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ యొక్క పవర్ 2, so degree is equal to 2. So the given differential equation order is 3 and the degree is 2. Okay, next example 6. ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మీరు చేసుకోవడం వల్ల ఆర్డర్ ని డిగ్రీని ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో మనకి ఈసెట్ లో కానీ ఎంసెట్ లో కానీ ఆర్డర్ మీద కూడా బిట్స్ ఉంటాయి. చక్కగా బిట్స్ చాలా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా లేకుండా చక్కగా ఇక్కడికి మీరు బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే కనుక ఆర్డర్ డిగ్రీ ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నెంబర్ 6, root x into d square by dx square whole power 1 by 3 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0 is a differential equation but having degrees radicals. So that means 1 by 3. ఇటువంటి radicals ఉండకూడదు. By eliminating the radicals we get the degree. Okay, order is very simple. So dependent variable y Differentiation 2 times d square by dx square. That means order is equal to 2. What is the degree? First, to calculate the degree, to simplify the differential equation, that means root x. Root x means x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 is equal to minus of x into dy by dx plus y by eliminating this part RHS. So x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 is equal to minus of x into dy by dx plus y. So by eliminating this 1 by 3, that means cubing on both sides, that equal to x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 power 3. That means cubing on both sides, minus x into dy by dx plus y whole power 3. So this 3 cancel. So x power 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 d square y by dx square power 1 is equal to minus of x into dy by dx plus y whole power 3. This is the simplification. After simplification, we get the differential equation. That means by eliminating radicals, we get the differential equation is x power 3 by 2 d square by dx square whole power 1 is equal to minus of x into dy by dx plus y whole power 3. Now what is degree? Highest order power. Here dy by dx, but power is 3. No, అది మనం తీసుకోవాలి. Next d square by dx square, second order derivative. The power is 1. So what is the degree? Degree is 1. But ఇక్కడ ఉండడానికి dy by dx యొక్క పవర్ 3 ఉంది. No, but order is 1. Order 2 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయినటువంటి ఫంక్షన్ డెరివేటివ్ కూడా ఉంది. Order 2 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయినటువంటి డెరివేటివ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది మనకి. దీని యొక్క పవర్ 1. తక్కువైనా అదే తీసుకుంటాం మనం. ఎక్కువగా ఉందని ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ యొక్క పవర్ తీసుకోకూడదు. ఆర్డర్ ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నదాని పవర్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. దీని యొక్క పవర్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంది తీసుకున్నావా? లేదు. డెఫినిషన్ ఏం చెప్తుంది? హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ degree. So degree is 1. So the given differential equation order is 2 and degree is 1. Okay, next example number 7. What is 7? Sin of dy by dx is equal to x. First of all, it is not a differential equation. Differential equation ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఫంక్షన్స్ లోపల ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. Sin of dy by dx అన్నది. This is meaningless. So sin of dy by dx is equal to x. First this eliminating sign, that means dy by dx is equal to sin inverse x. By simplification we get the differential equation dy by dx is equal to, by the definition of differential equation, an equation involving derivatives. But here sin of dy by dx, it is meaningless. So to fail the definition of differential equation. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to sin inverse x. What is degree? What is order? Order is 1 because first derivative dy by dx is first derivative, d square by dx square is second derivative. Okay, this is first derivative, order is 1. What is degree? The first derivative power is 1. So degree is equal to 1. So the given differential equation degree is 1 and order is 1. Okay, next example. dy by dx power 2 by 3 is equal to x square. What is order? What is degree? Order, very simple. Order is 1. But what about degree? Okay, degree means first cubing on both sides, that means dy by dx whole power 2 by 3 whole power 3 is equal to x square whole power 3. That means 3 cancel. So dy by dx whole square is equal to x power 6. So order is 1. Order is 1. Degree is 2. First order power 2. How many times differentiation? 1 time. Order is 1. But మీకు ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన డౌట్ వస్తుంది, సార్ దీన్ని ఇంకా మాక్సిమం సింప్లిఫై చేయొచ్చు కదా అని. చేయొచ్చు. ఎలా చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, dy by dx whole square is equal to x power 6. ఓకే, సో ఈ 2 ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేద్దాం. dy by dx is equal to x power 6 by 2. So dy by dx is equal to x power 3. But this is a differential equation. Order is equal to 1. Degree is equal to 1. This is absolutely wrong. Because By simplification this one, that means dy by dx whole square minus x cube whole square is equal to 0. This can be written as x power 6 లోపల తీసుకొద్దాం. So dy by dx whole square minus this x power 6 x cube whole square కింద రాస్తాం. This is x square minus y square by using formula a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, that equal to dy by dx plus x cube into dy by dx minus x cube is equal to 0. Here two differential equations here. The product of two differential equations exist. So degree is 2. So dy by dx into dy by dx. dy by dx whole square. But here wrong simplification. So dy by dx is equal to x cube. The missing one degree. So this simplification is to calculate this way. Degree is wrong. Degree is 1 is wrong. Absolutely wrong. So ఇలా స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకున్న వల్ల రెండు డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వస్తాయి. మరి ఆ రెండు డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ప్రొడక్ట్ లో ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు దాని యొక్క ఆర్డర్ ఖచ్చితంగా 2 అవుతుంది. మరి ఇలా సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేసుకునే వెళ్తే మనం మిస్గైడ్ చేసినట్టు. ఓకే, సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 7 ఈజ్ వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, ఇలా చూసుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఇది ఒకసారి మనం మిస్గైడ్ చేస్తాం. మన కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇచ్చి ఇవే దీని ఆర్డర్ ఎంత ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటాడు. చక్కగా మీరు ఇంతవరకు చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతారు. ఆర్డర్ 1 డిగ్రీ 1 రాస్తారా? తప్పదు. ఓకే, ఆర్డర్ ఈజ్ 2, ఆర్డర్ ఈజ్ 1 and degree is 2. So very nice example. Okay, example number 9. What is 9? dy by dx whole power 3 by d is equal to x. Okay, so by eliminating rational, that equal to dy by dx cube is equal to x square. So this 1 by 2 transposed to this power, x is equal to 1. That means squaring on both sides. We get dy by dx whole cube is equal to x square. What is order? Order is equal to, what is order? 1. Degree is equal to 3. At the time of beginning, మీరు నేర్చుకునేటప్పుడు సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఈ విధంగా చేయాలి కాబట్టి నేర్చుకుంటారు. ఇది పెద్ద తప్పేం కాదు. కానీ ఒరిజినల్ గా dy by dx whole power 3 by 2 is equal to x. So dy by dx is equal to x power 2 by 3. రాడికల్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఉండకూడదు. డెరివేటివ్స్ కి రాడికల్స్ ఉండకూడదు తప్ప వేరియబుల్స్ ఉండొచ్చు. సో dy by dx is equal to x power 2 by 3. So order is equal to 1, degree is equal to 1. This is correct way. మీరు చదువుకునేటప్పుడు చేసేటప్పుడు సింపుల్ గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇలా చేయడం వల్ల ఆర్డర్ 1 డిగ్రీ 3 అని రాయడం వల్ల తప్పలేదు. కానీ యాక్చువల్ గా అకార్డింగ్ టు ది డెఫినిషన్ ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ పవర్స్ నాట్ రాడికల్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ రాడికల్స్ కూడా లేవు. So maximum simplification చేస్తే dy by dx is equal to x power 2 by 3. This is maximum simplification. Order is equal to 1, degree is equal to 1. This is right way. This is also partially right way. Okay? Okay. Last example 10. Find the order and degree of differential equation x into dy by dx is equal to log of 1 plus dy by dx. This is correct form of differential equation because log of 1 plus dy by dx. The eliminate change. By the definition of logarithm, this can be written as e power x into dy by dx is equal to 1 plus dy by dx. So in this differential equation, after simplification, degree is not defined because so log of 1 plus dy by dx. So x into dy by dx, order 1. Order is 1 because the dependent variable differentiation one time, that equal to dy by dx. Here dy by dx. So that equal to order is equal to 1. But degree is not defined because first order derivative power is 1. But what about this one? దాని గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేయలేం కాబట్టి పవర్స్ ని సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే ఈ పవర్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి దీని యొక్క డిగ్రీ నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్. Okay, so 10 examples completed. Order and degree is very most important. Order ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, డిగ్రీ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఆర్డర్ అంటే సింపుల్ గా మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఏంటి, y అనే ఫంక్షన్ ని ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేశారు. y ఫంక్షన్ అంటే డిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్. dy by dx ఆర్డర్ 1, d square by dx square ఆర్డర్ 2, d cube by dx cube ఆర్డర్ 3, d power 4y by dx power 4 ఆర్డర్ 4. Go on like this. d power n by dx power n order n. Next, what about degree? Degree కూడా సింపుల్ గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ పవర్ హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ పవర్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్. అంటే డి క్యూబ్ బై డిఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ పవర్ 1 ఉంది, ఇంకెక్కడ డి స్క్వేర్ బై డిఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ పవర్ 5 ఉంది. నువ్వు చూడవలసింది ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ పవర్ చూడాలి, చూసి దాని యొక్క ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ కానీ పవర్ కానీ తీసుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ది ఆర్డర్ అండ్ డిగ్రీ. టు ఫైండ్ ది ఆర్డర్ అండ్ డిగ్రీ, దిస్ ఈస్ ది ప్రాసెస్. అన్ని కేసెస్ను డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటూ 10 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మీకు ఇచ్చాను. తర్వాత మీరు ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చినా చేయగలిగేలా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, టుడే క్లాస్ ఈస్ ఓవర్.